Work locating is the process of setting an arbitrary origin on a workpiece. Milled features such as holes and slots are machined at predetermined distances from the origin. Locating X0 and Y0 can be accomplished with a mechanical edge finder. The spring-loaded tip runs true as it contacts the workpiece. The spindle center is offset from the edge of the workpiece by a distance equal to the radius of the tip. Mechanical dials or digital readouts can then be set to 0 plus or minus the offset. An electronic edge finder lights up and produces an audible tone as the probe tip touches the workpiece. The spindle center is offset by the radius of the tip. A 3D sensor is capable of locating points in all three dimensions. This model has a resolution of 1/10,000th of an inch and reads true positions without having to account for radius offsets. A center finder, similar to a mechanical edge finder, is used for locating the centers of pre-machined holes. A height setter is used for locating the top surface of a workpiece relative to the tip of the cutting tool. This model lights up an LED when the tool is exactly 2 inches away from the surface. Locating the center of a large bore is most easily accomplished with a coaxial indicator. The X and Y positions of the table are adjusted until the dial needle stops moving. Using a different probe tip, a coax indicator can also be used on external diameters. Custom fixture plates can be machined with steps or slots for easy alignment with pre-located points. Workpieces can be located with hardened dowel pins before being secured with bolts and clamps.